Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, today we are going to talk about citizenship. What is citizenship and why does it matter? The position or status of being a citizen of a particular country. The refugees could be granted dual citizenship. According to Wikipedia, citizenship is the status of a person recognized under the custom or law as being a legal member of a sovereign state or belonging to a nation. Citizenship has traditionally referred to a particular set of political practices involving specific public rights and duties with respect to a given community. And then what does citizenship means? Being an active member of a community who involve with the world and make it more inclusive, or a country where people perform their role and contribute. तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं जहाँ पे सिटीज़नशिप का मतलब भी ये होता है कि आप मिलजुल के काम कर रहे हैं, आप एक इंक्लूसिव हैं, आपकी जो डाइवर्सिटी है, आप यूनिटी फेथ डिसिप्लिन के मुताबिक जो हैं वो चल रहे होते हैं, आप अपनी आइडियोलॉजी को लेके चलते हैं, आप अपने राइट्स एंड ड्यूटीज़ को जो हैं वो फुलफ़िल करते हैं, और यही चीज़ें जो हैं आपके शेयरिंग बेनिफिट्स और आपकी सेंस ऑफ बिलोंगिंग जो है अपने कंट्री के साथ, और आपका पैट्रियोटिज्म जो है, ये सिटीज़नशिप को जो है वो जाहिर करता है कि हाउ मच सिटीज़नशिप मीन्स. व्हेन वी लुक एट द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ सिटीज़नशिप, तो उसके अंदर है कि membership of a democratic political community concerns who is a citizen. Citizenship employs the capacity to participate in both the political and the socio-economic life of the community. Yet the nature of that participation and the capabilities it calls for have varied over time and remain matters of debate. For example, a degree of trusted and solidarity among citizens also proves important if all are to collaborate in producing the collective benefits of citizenship. कि सब मिल के किसी कॉज के लिए जब काम करते हैं, rather than some attempting to free ride on the efforts of others, ना कि उन चंद लोगों के जो दूसरों के कंधों के ऊपर चढ़ के तो अपनी अयाशी में लगे होते हैं. द कलेक्टिव बेनिफिट्स. नंबर 2, द कलेक्टिव बेनिफिट्स एंड राइट्स एसोसिएटेड विद मेंबरशिप seen as the defining criterion of citizenship. There are different approaches, but the rights of citizenship have to be seen as subject to the decisions of citizens themselves. फिर नंबर 3 जो है वो पार्टिसिपेशन इन द कम्युनिटीज पॉलिटिकल, इकोनॉमिक एंड सोशल प्रोसेसेस. कॉलिंग सिटीजनशिप द राइट टू हैव राइट्स indicates how access to numerous rights depends on membership of a political community. However, many human rights activists have criticized the exclusive character of citizenship for this very reason, maintaining that rights ought to be available to all on an equal basis regardless of where you are born or happen to live. As a result, they have sometimes argued against any limits on access to citizenship. Let's talk about who is citizen of Pakistan. Citizen by birth, persons who or any of their parents or grandparents were born in the territories now included in Pakistan before the commencement of Citizenship Act 1951 are citizens of Pakistan. Any person born in Pakistan after the commencement of Pakistan Citizenship Act 1951 is citizen of Pakistan. Those who are naturalized in accordance with law. Citizenship of Pakistan. There are three categories of declared citizens of Pakistan, including citizens by birth, by descent, and by migration, which are briefly mentioned below. Citizens by birth, persons who or any of their parents or grandparents were born in the territories now included in Pakistan before the commencement of Citizenship Act 1951 are citizens of Pakistan. Any person born in Pakistan after the commencement of Pakistan citizenship. Any person born in Pakistan after the commencement of Pakistan Citizenship Act 1951 is citizen of Pakistan. Children of foreign diplomats and children of enemy allies born in Pakistan are not included in this category. Persons who migrated from territories of Pakistan to other areas of Indo-Pakistan subcontinent for permanent stay after March 1947 shall also be not considered citizens of Pakistan. Number 2, citizen by descent. Children of Pakistanis who are born outside of Pakistan are citizens by descent. If the parent of such child is a citizen by descent himself or herself as born outside of Pakistan, the child is required to be registered in the nearest consulate or Pakistani mission. Children born to Pakistan mother and foreign national father after 18/4/2000 are treated as citizens of Pakistan. Number 3, citizen by migration. The persons who migrated to Pakistan from the territories in the Indo-Pakistan subcontinent before the commencement of Pakistan Citizen Act 1951 are declared citizens of Pakistan. And then modes of acquiring citizenship. By birth, natural born citizens are those who are citizens of Pakistan from birth without having to perform any act to acquire their citizenship. दूसरा है by naturalization. उसके अंदर हम ये देखते हैं कि what is naturalization? Person who can acquire citizenship of Pakistan after applying in prescribed manner are mentioned in the given forms legally. वो हमारी वेबसाइट के ऊपर या जो गवर्नमेंट ने फॉर्म्स दिए हुए हैं लीगली उन चीज़ों को पूरा करना होता है और वो जो है इट इज़ अ लीगल प्रोसेस विच दोज persons who are formally citizens of other countries have applied for naturalization in accordance with law in a certain state in order to become a citizen of that country. तो ये चीज़ जो होती है, और उसके लिए हमारा जो नेचुरलाइजेशन एक्ट 1926 सेक्शन 9 ऑफ PCA 1951 के फॉर्म्स जो हैं वो उधर से जो मिल जाते हैं। एंड देन वो कौन से लोग हैं सिटीजनशिप जो लूज करते हैं? अ पर्सन कैन लूज सिटीजनशिप बाय रिनाउंसिंग it in the prescribed manner. A person can be deprived of citizenship by the federal government if he obtains citizenship of Pakistan either fraudulently or by misrepresentation, or commits a crime of disloyalty against Pakistan, or unlawfully trades or communicates with enemies of Pakistan. और वैसे भी जब हम ये देखते हैं कि विदाउट सिटीजनशिप वी आर अलोन, हमारी शनाख्त, हमारी पहचान, हमारा एक दूसरे को जानना, ना सिर्फ हमारे नेबरिंग कंट्री में, थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड हमारी पहचान क्या है? पाकिस्तानी होने की, कि दैट वी आर पाकिस्तानी सिटीजन्स। तो ये एक बहुत बड़ी पहचान है एंड दिस इज ब्लेसिंग के, एंड यू कैन नॉट इमेजिन दोज पीपल जिनके पास सिटीजनशिप नहीं है और दे आर अलोन विद इन देमसेल्व्स एंड अराउंड द पीपल, वो उनकी कोई पहचान ही नहीं है, जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा तकलीफ़ का बायस बनती है। And then it's a blessing for special need people and persons with disabilities. And many think that they do not have any future. They are burden on family and nation. Others control their life. They can never be independent. They are poor and do not have quality of life. No privacy. Stays alone and abused. A loveless life. And this is a pity that why people think like that. Where we talk about the rights of these people with special needs, हम equal rights की बात करते हैं, हम उनकी जो है एक inclusion की बात करते हैं, हम ये कहते हैं कि citizen, as we are citizen of this country, they have also got the right of citizenship and to enjoy the citizenship of this country. तो ये एक बहुत बड़ी ब्लेसिंग ऐसे लोगों के लिए जो कि वाकई ही, जो दूसरे कुछ लोग ये सारी बातें समझते हैं और उसको लेके आगे चलते हैं, तो ये उनके लिए ब्लेसिंग से कम नहीं है कि एटलीस्ट दे हैव अ प्लेस जो कि उन्हें ओन करती है, और उनके लिए बहुत सारी सहूलतें, बहुत सारे रूल्स, बहुत सारी राइट्स उनको प्रोवाइड करती है टू ब्रिंग देम इन द मेन स्ट्रीम कम्युनिटी, इंक्लूजन की तरफ लेके जा रहे हैं। और यही सिटीजनशिप की एक बहुत खूबसूरती है कि सबको साथ लेके इकट्ठा चलती है, कि इक्वल राइट्स पे डिपेंडेंट है। एंड देन citizenship rights and responsibilities. Following are the several rights and responsibilities that all citizens of Pakistan should exercise and respect. Some of these responsibilities are legally required of every citizen, but all are important to ensuring that Islamic Republic of Pakistan remains a free, happy, healthy and prosperous nation. Citizenship is the common thread that connects all Pakistanis. We are a nation bound not by race, caste, color, creed, or religion, but by the shared values of freedom, liberty, and equality according to Islamic laws. Citizenship offers many benefits and equally important responsibilities. By applying, we are demonstrating our commitment to this country. राइट्स हमारे क्या हैं कि फ्रीडम टू एक्सप्रेस योर सेल्फ, फ्रीडम टू वर्शिप एज यू विश, right to a prompt fair trial by jury, right to vote, right to apply for federal employment, right to run for elected office. और जब हम रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज की बात करते हैं, support and defend the constitution, stay informed of the issues affecting your community, participate in democratic process, respect and obey federal, state and local laws, respect the rights, beliefs and opinions of others, participate in your local community, pay income tax and other taxes with honesty and time to federal, state and local authorities, serve on jury when called upon, and then defend the country if the need should arise. और फिर राइट्स के अंदर ये है कि द परसूट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस, इम्पोर्टेंस एंड गोल्स ऑफ सिटीजनशिप की जब हम बात करते हैं, पहले ये देखते हैं कि हु इज सिटीजन. सिटीजन इज अ पर्सन. सिटीजनशिप is that person's status or relationship to a nation, state or other body. A Pakistani citizen is a person who enjoys citizenship in the Pakistan either by birth or naturalization. The most important benefit is the right to vote in elections. In a democracy, citizens can play a big role in shaping the decisions a country makes. The desires and opinions of citizens can influence elected lawmakers. Since citizens have the right to vote, they can elect officials whose political ideas they share. Personal goals to explore their interests, talents or passions, college and career goals to gain first-hand experiences in career areas where they have strong interests, and citizenship goals to become an active citizen in the local or global community. Qualities of a good citizen. We are the people of Pakistan. In order to be the best nation of Islamic Republic of Pakistan, we ensure to establish our country on the basis of Islamic ideology and follow its characteristics. Cooperation. We, the people, not we the individuals, work together as a group. And then strength, provide for the common defense, to stand up for what is right, denounce what is wrong and admit mistakes. Balance, secure the blessings of liberty to ourselves and our prosperity. self-improvement, promote to general welfare, seek knowledge and skills, respect, ensure domestic peacefulness, to accept your fellow citizens, patience, meaning to take steps towards a better situation, fairness, establish justice, to consider the common good as well as individual desires, balance, secure the blessings of liberty to ourselves and our posterity, meaning to support our nation's ideals of freedom, equality, and unity by harmonizing or compromising solutions to our problems. Patience, a more perfect meaning to take steps towards betterment, obey the law and respects authority, civic duty, contributes to society and the community by performing civic duty, loves country and shows patriotism, shows courtesy and respect for the rights of others, trustworthy and honest. ये एक गुड सिटीजन की जितनी भी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं कि हैज़ अकाउंटेबिलिटी, मॉरल करेज है, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन है, ये सारी चीज़ें क्या शो करती हैं? ये सारी चीज़ें ये शो करती हैं कि सिटीज़नशिप एक ऐसी ब्लेसिंग है जिसके अंदर यू स्पीक योर माइंड with peace and harmony, you act on your duties with honesty, you fulfill your responsibilities, you want to good citizens try to bring harmony for each other, they build up a positive and optimistic harmonious community which automatically generates and fulfills the requirements of international community, and that's the fabric knitted with each other that human beings and countries are building good citizenship characteristics among their communities and giving them strength. That's why people do courtesy and respect for each other, and they have got the moral courage when they are standing together with each other, and they show their patriotism when anything comes to harm any country's nation, and they stand firm and show their unity. And that's why good citizens, they are always trustworthy and honest, because they know that they have to transfer these qualities of good citizenship to the coming generations. And then citizenship, a blessing, hands off. It's my home, my country, Pakistan, and nobody can harm us. This is whole patriotism among citizens, that they own their country because they belong to it and they own it. In every thick and thin, whole nation stands together. These are the references from where I have taken the material, so you can consult these sites and upgrade your knowledge related to citizenship. Thank you very much.